Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great and learning English perfectly. I welcome all of you to this channel Everyday English with Amna. My name is Amna and I'm an English language instructor. Today's video is quite special for all of you, especially those who want to solve Cambridge 18 essays. Cambridge books are excellent for practicing for IELTS exams because each book contains 4 complete exams. There are most accurate and helpful practice material for preparation. I strongly recommend that you should practice for your test directly from these books because these are far more realistic for your exam preparation than any other available material online. So today I want to give you band 9 sample answers and teach you which tense and grammatical structure you should use while constructing your sentences, and you will able to learn the perfect essay structure and planning with band and vocabulary for each topic. So don't skip and watch till end, then you can practice easily to score high. And if you want to learn more, then do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment as well. Now let's get started. So here is our first essay. The most important aim of science should be to improve people's life. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? So statement को पढ़ने के बाद ही हमें समझ में आ गया कि it's all about the purpose of science. They are talking about the purpose and to what extent they are asking, to what extent do you agree or disagree. So you should state whether you agree, disagree or neither agree nor disagree. It's quite straightforward statement. As I have already teach you about that, first of all you need to understand the statement properly and try to rephrase it in your own words and then understand the requirement and what they are asking for. So what we get from the statement that science should improve people's life, that should be its important aim of the science. So we know the basic structure of any essay. There should be introduction, body paragraphs and conclusion. This is the basic pattern of any essay. There should be a proper introduction and then supporting body paragraphs and then conclusion. How to write an perfect introduction, I have already uploaded a detailed video, so I will mention a link in the description below. So if you want to watch a detailed about the introduction, how to write a perfect introduction of any essay, you can watch that video. So in this introduction we can use the phrases like it is argued that, it is considered that, it is thought that, because they are talking about that what extent do you agree, disagree. So we can start our introduction like it is often said that the primary purpose of the science should be to improve people's life. This essay will largely agree with that assertion. As we understand the statement, we need to rephrase it in other words. You see, the primary purpose is like important aim, and we use assertion for the statement. And in this introduction, you have to tell that this essay is agree, disagree, or neutral. If you are agree, so you will choose such type of line. This essay will largely agree with that statement or that assertion. For the statement, you can use assertion as a synonym. Now let's see how we can construct our body paragraphs for this statement. As we know, the band 9 template to write a body paragraph, there should be proper reason that why you agree or disagree in the first sentence. You have to state the reason why you agree, disagree. I will suggest you to stick with the one viewpoint with one paragraph. Whenever you are planning for your essay, definitely you brainstorm different ideas about the topic, and here you need to write the important aim of science. यहाँ पे एक बहुत important मैं टिप शेयर करूँगी, वो आइडिया सोचें जो साइंस से रिलेटेड आपको लगता है, जिस टॉपिक में आपके पास vocabulary अवेलेबल है. The vocabulary is really important. If you are thinking about the idea that you will talk about the technology, then you should know that you have a rich vocabulary about technology you can use in your paragraphs. So try to think that topic you do have a rich vocabulary as well. So this is really important, because as you construct your ideas, you will explain with the reasons and give examples, and you have a rich vocabulary. Here is the body paragraph 1. You can start your body paragraph 1 to begin with. Science has advanced for many reasons throughout human history. However, it has been fueled by the desire to improve people's life. Take medicine as the best example. The pharmaceutical industry often receives criticism for its greed and focus on profit making, despite the needs of the people it serves. There is no doubt that most medical advances has been made in order to reduce human suffering, improve people's quality of life, and even extend lives so that people can live comfortably into old age. From insulin to eyeglasses, medical science has sought to eliminate health problems and improve people's lives, and this should continue into the future. So you see the selection of vocabulary: fueled, criticism, pharmaceutical, profit making, human suffering, insulin, and see how you can connect your sentences, however, despite, from, and for the body paragraph to begin with. And the sentence structure: what tense should I need to use? Use only simple present perfect tense. For writing your body paragraphs, you see has advanced and it has been fueled. It is the passive of the present perfect tense. Use only simple present perfect tense in order to construct your ideas and sentences. Now see the next body paragraph. Beyond that, there are many other ways to science has helped people. For instance, for example, you can use, for instance, the development of technology. Previously, you're talking about the healthcare and the pharmaceutical industry, and the other point you're talking about the technology. So you are talking about two viewpoint. One is the pharmaceutical or medicines, and the other one is technology. Try to make your ideas very simple and elaborate your ideas with examples. So here you see that the development of technology has mostly been for this purpose as well. Some rightly complain about the government spying and business profiting, but devices like laptops and tablets. Previously, in the previous body paragraph, you see you use the words the insulin, eyeglasses, and such type of vocabulary words, and in according to the technology you are choosing the laptop, tablets, and such type of vocabulary words you can use in order to construct your answers. So they allow average people to start businesses, and they allow disabled people to do amazing things that they would otherwise have struggled to achieve. So you can also give your neutral sentences as well, not in the favor, but you can also talk about the technology. Not at all technology is beneficial, and not at all it is creation for such altruistic purpose, but much of its development should be fostered with such lofty aims. For example, scientists should keep this in mind as they push forward with the creation of AI. So you see, you need to construct your answers like this. Now let's see the conclusion of the essay. In conclusion, there are many reasons such as health improvement, as I already talked about. In the conclusion, you have to mention your two viewpoints, as you have already discussed in your two body paragraphs: health improvement and technology. Now you are just highlighting your viewpoints, that such as health improvement and technology, that science advances and there should be for the benefit for human beings. People should continue to make development with the intention of improving people's lives. So this is the perfect way in order to conclude your essay. Simply in introduction, just give your idea what you are going to do in your essay, two ideas, two viewpoints in your two body paragraphs, and then conclusion. That's it. This is the full sample answer. If you want to take a screenshot, you can have it in, and if you want to practice the vocabulary, sentence structure, you can practice as well. Now let's see the essay 2. Some university students want to learn about other subjects in addition to their main subjects. Others believe it is more important to give all their time and attention to studying for a qualification. Discuss both these views and give your own opinion. As we know, for such type of essays, there are two viewpoints, and you have to discuss both viewpoints and also give your opinion. For such type of essays, the sentence structure should use the should, could, might, would, such type of modal verbs you can use in order to construct your answers. Let's see how we can construct our introduction. As we know, first of all, we need to understand the both viewpoint, that what is the question about, what is the statement about. So we get an idea that few believe that there should addition subjects, and other believes that we should only pay attention to studying for our qualification. So no need to study other core subject. We just need to focus on our own core subject. So these are the different viewpoints. So we can start. It is normal for university students to specialize in one particular subject, but some of them think that they should be able to take a wide range of subjects in addition to their chosen one. So I paraphrase both ideas in a one sentence, and now I am just talking about this essay will look at both viewpoints, then suggest that although there are some benefits to be gained from additional subjects, students should probably focus on their majors. So this is the stance of my essay. This is the outline of my essay, that what is going to be in my essay. Now let's see the first paragraph, first body paragraph of the essay. Students should certainly benefit from taking other subjects in addition to their specialist one, because having a wide range of knowledge is very important, particularly at that stage in life. Even if a student wants to study something like dentistry, it could still be beneficial to do some additional classes to help them become a more well-rounded person, such as an occasional lessons in philosophy, literature, or history. So in this body paragraph, you are supporting the viewpoint that students should take additional subjects in order to boost their wide range of knowledge, because it is very important in particular stage of lives. So if a student is learning dentistry, he should also get the idea about the philosophy and literature. So you are just supporting the idea. Now let's see the second body paragraph. However, students go to the university to prepare for their working life by learning from a very specific field, and additional subjects might be an unwelcome distraction. For example, if the dental student was forced to take philosophy classes, the extra pressure and effort might cause them to fail in dentistry exam and possibly even drop out of their course. It seems that any benefits that come from taking extra classes would be mitigated by the potential problems caused, and so it is not worth implementing this sort of system unless the additional classes were quite closely related to the primary subject, in which case there may be some extra benefits that would balance out the negatives. So you see, first you were talking about in the favor, and now you are talking about against the viewpoint, because you have to discuss both viewpoint and also give your opinion. So in the second body paragraph, you're also in the last line, you are also talking about your opinion. It is not worth implementing this sort of system unless the additional classes. So this is your viewpoint. You can also write like, in my perspective, in my viewpoint, it is not worth implementing this sort of system. So you can also write like this. Now let's see the conclusion of the essay. In conclusion, it is not a great idea to give students a wide range of classes in addition to their chosen subjects, but they may benefit from having some extra lessons to provide them with a slightly wider range of knowledge. So this is the conclusion of the essay. So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do like, share and comment as well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.